The dust collection bag is a cloth replacement lower bag. It has a snap-in retainer that is built into the bag. Over time, the bag can wear out and develop holes. Replacing the dust collection bag is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the old dust collection bag from my dust collector. In this case, I'm using plastic disposable bags. To remove it, I grab the top of the bag where it's folded over and push it in towards the center of the collector. Now I can install the new dust collection bag. The bag has the retainer built into the top of it. So to install it, I place the retainer into the flange that's on the bottom of the drum. I'll place as much of the bag into the flange as I can. A small amount of the bag will be sticking out from the flange, and I'll push inward on that part, and then once it's in place inside the drum, I'll release it, being careful not to pinch my fingers. And that's how easy it is to install a new dust collection bag on your dust collector.